do not be so quick to discard those lingering slices of sandwich bread. Today, Cooking Tips 5S will reveal 3 ways to transform them into European restaurant-quality morning delights. Effortless, remarkably swift, and utilising the humble staples already resting in your refrigerator. Let us begin this culinary magic. Dish 1. Pan-seared, milk-soaked bread with garden vegetables and molten yolk. We begin by delicately tearing 3 slices of bread into bite-sized rustic pieces, gathering them within a glass bowl. Cascade just enough fresh milk to immerse the bread, using a fork to gently mash and fold until the crumbs surrender to the milk, becoming luxuriously soft and pulpy. Crack a farm-fresh egg, utilising a delicate chef's secret. Meticulously separate the radiant yolk from the silken white. Nestling them into petite floral moulds adds a touch of pure charm. Pour the pure egg white into the milk-soaked bread, awakening it with a whisper of fine sea salt, and whisk with rhythmic grace. To weave in vibrant colour and nourishment, we grate fresh carrots into fine, jewel-like ribbons directly into the bowl. Follow this with a shower of freshly grated cheese and a scattering of finely minced emerald scallions. Gently fold everything together until it unites into a thick, cohesive batter. Warming a square skillet over the heat, gloss the surface with a delicate drizzle of oil. Spoon the rich batter, coaxing it into an elegant rectangular form, and use the back of a spoon to craft a gentle indentation at its very heart. Sear until the base achieves a magnificent golden brown crust before gracefully flipping it. Now delicately nestle the reserved radiant yolk into that cradling hollow. Allow the underside to cook to a tender finish before transferring it to a plate. Draw a blade across the centre and behold the velvety rich yolk cascades forth, mingling with the impossibly pillowy bread. An absolute triumph of flavour. This milk-soaked vegetable bread mixture melts on the tongue, much like a delicate shrimp paste. Should your pantry be devoid of carrots, what other vegetable would you grate into fine ribbons to delight the little ones? Share your culinary ingenuity in the comments below. Dish 2. Air-fried bird's nest sandwich with sausage and molten cheese. Transitioning to our second creation, an effortless masterpiece guided by the air fryer. Select a single slice of sandwich bread, crowning it with 2 luscious slices of cheese. Taking a savory sausage, we halve it and slice it longitudinally into 4 elegant ribbons, arranging them meticulously over the cheese. Enclose this with a second pristine slice of bread. A brilliant culinary secret. Utilize a round-bottomed tool such as a wooden pepper shaker to press firmly into the very center of the bread, forging a deep cradling hollow. Pipe a rich ribbon of mayonnaise into the depths of this well, using a fork to coax it seamlessly around the edges. Crack a farm-fresh egg, allowing it to rest obediently within its new nest. To elevate the decadence, scatter cubed cheese around the egg's perimeter and dust the radiant yolk's center with a whisper of cracked black pepper. Lining the air fry tray with silver foil, nestle the sandwich inside and let the heat work its magic. As we wait, let us take a moment to relax and watch the tranquil koi fish glide through the water. Ting. Retrieve your creation to reveal a lustrous, golden melted cheese crust. Slice it in half to unveil a perfectly tender egg, embracing the savory sausage within. Every bite is an overwhelming surge of flavor. Dish 3. Stovetop sandwich pizza with tomato and stringy cheese. Our final endeavour is a true indulgence for pizza devotees. With a precise blade, carve 2 slices of sandwich bread into petite, charming squares. For the tomatoes, slice them into delicate, translucent, vibrant rounds. Crack 2 farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, seasoning with fine sea salt and cracked pepper, whisking until the mixture becomes a frothy, luminous liquid. Warm a skillet over the flame. A chef's whisper here. Use unsalted butter rather than oil. As it melts, it will imbue the crust with an intoxicating, milky aroma. Arrange the cubed bread pieces intimately against one another, blanketing the base of the pan. Slowly cascade the whisked eggs over the canvas. The golden liquid will weave through every crevice, binding the bread together into a flawless, unified pizza crust. Once the underside sets into a golden firmness, gracefully flip the crust. Crown the surface with 3 sun-ripened tomato slices. Shower the canvas with a lavish abundance of cubed and finely shredded cheese, ensuring total coverage. Place a glass lid over the skillet, reducing the flame to a mere whisper to cradle the heat, allowing the cheese to surrender into a glorious, complete melt. Lift the lid and be met with an intoxicating, fragrant bouquet. Transfer to a plate and carve into inviting wedges. Behold the mesmerizing, endless stretch of melted cheese harmonizing with the tangy brightness of the tomato and the shatter-crisp, butter-soaked crust. This effortlessly surpasses any pizzeria offering. Wishing you magnificent success with these 3 culinary masterpieces.